ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। गीताभ्यासे 16-5 दैवी संपद विमोक्षाय दैवी संपद विमोक्षाय निबंधाय सुरीमता पदच्छेदे दैवी संपद विमोक्षाय निबंधाय आसुरी मता मा शुचः संपदं दैवीम अभिजातोऽसि पांडव पदच्छेदे मा अशुचः संपदं दैवीम अभिजातः असि पांडव। वाक्यांशशः विश्लेषण। I have the columns here. अनुक्रमाङ्कः कर्तृपदीयाः कर्मपदीयाः अन्ये सुबन्ताः विधेयाः अव्ययानि कृदन्ताः तिङन्ताः। दैवी संपत् विमोक्षाय मता आसुरी संपत् निबंधाय मता. The word mata is implicit in 1a and the word sampad is implicit in 2. Pandava ma ashuchaha दैवीं संपदम अभिजातः असि. The complete Vakyamshah Devim Sampadam Abhijatah is complement Videyaha of Vakyamshah 4b, where Asi has the subject word Tvam Asi. Anvayashaha Shabdabhyasa Daivi Sampad Vimokshaya Daivi Visheshanam Atra Strilingam Prathama Ekvachanam Daiva adjective Daivi feminine Devat Agataha and relating to gods, caused by or coming from gods, divine, celestial. संस्कृतं नाम दैवी वा अन्वाख्याता महर्षिभिः. दैवी वाग यस्य नामवत्, divine, superhuman. दैवी संपद विमोक्षाय निबंधाय स्वरीमता. Same shloka has been quoted. संपद स्त्रीलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. संपद feminine, wealth, riches. गीता विवोत्साह गुणेन संपद. Different quotations. Advancement in good qualities. Vimokshaya, vimoksha, liberation, emancipation, final beatitude. Asuri nibandhaya mata. Asuri विशेषणम् अत्र स्त्रीलिंगं प्रथमा एकवचनम्. असुरस्ययम् इति आसुरी. आसुर एडजेक्टिव. आसुरी फेमिनिन. असुरस्य इदम् अन् opposite of दैव, belonging to asuras. Infernal, demoniacal. असुरं भावमाश्रितः. निबंधाय, निबंध, बॉन्डेज. पुल्लिंगम चतुर्थी एकवचनम्. मता, मत धातोः तविशेषणं मत. मन धातोः तविशेषणं मत. रिगार्डेड. अत्र स्त्रीलिंगं प्रथमा एकवचनम्. पांडव मा आशुचः. पांडव विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिंगं संबोधनम् एकवचनम्. पांडवः अपत्यं पांडवः, सन ऑफ पांडु. मा अव्ययम, डू नॉट. अशुचः शुच धातोः लुङ् लकारे मध्यमपुरुषः एकवचनं. शुच शुचं शोके. टू वरी, टू सॉरो, टू ग्रीव. भ्वादिः प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी. अकर्मकः सेट. दैवीं संपदम् अभिजातः असि. दैवीं दैवी विशेषणम् अत्र स्त्रीलिंगं द्वितीय एकवचनम्. Earlier दैवी has been discussed. संपदम संपद स्त्रीलिंगम द्वितीय एकवचनम्. अभिजातः अभिजात विशेषणम् पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम्. अभिजन धातोः उक्त विशेषणम् अभिजात. अभिजात पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. वन, born to or for. भवन्ति संपदं दैवीम् अभिजातस्य भारत. Produce all round. Born in consequence of. Inbred, inborn. Born, produced. अजात पक्षाम अभिजात कंठीम. सर्वे तुल्या विजाताया जातीया तथा देवांस तथा वयम. असि अस् धातोः लटि प्रथमपुरुष मध्यमपुरुषः एकवचनम् अस् असंग भुवि टू बी टू एग्जिस्ट अदादि द्वितीयगणे परस्मैपदी अकर्मकः सेट अन्वयार्थः ओवरऑल मीनिंग दैवी संपद विमोक्षाय द डिवाइन नेचर मेक्स फॉर लिबरेशन आसुरी निबंधाय द डेमोनिकल मेक्स फॉर bondage mata it is so regarded Pandava ma shuchaha do not worry O son of Pancha of Pandu Daivim Sampadam Abhiyatahasi. You are born to have the wealth of divine nature. Chando Vishleshana. Daivi Sampad Vimokshaya. Ashtakshani. Divimoksha. Etesham Matraha. Eka Dve Dve. Nibandhaya Surimata. Ashtakshani. Surima. Etesham Matraha. Eka Dve Eka. Ma Shuchas Sampadam Devi. Ashtakshani. Padam Daivi. Etesham Matraha. Eka Dve Dve. अभिजातोऽसि पाण्डव अष्टक्षाणि सि पाण्ड एतेषां मात्रः एका द्वे एका अस्मिन् षोडशाध्याये पञ्चमे श्लोके अनुष्टुप् छन्दः स्वाध्यायः नोट्स् ऑफ सेल्फ स्टडी इन कृष्णा assuring Arjuna you are born to have the wealth of divine riches implicit is that he knows it all he is omniscient. The statement Devi Sampad Vimokshaya, the divine nature makes for liberation, is not to be taken to mean that one becomes eligible for Vimoksha just by being born with such Devi Sampad. One has to give further to build upon the positives. Yatate chatato bhuyah samsiddhau 6-43. Likewise, Asuri Nibandhaya, the demonical nature makes for bondage. In bondage is not to be taken to mean that one is destined to take the bondage for being born with Asuri Sampad. One born with a being born as a human being in itself is a great opportunity to undertake sort of a mid-course correction. Arjuna had asked the right question. Ayati Shraddhayo Poito Yoga Chalita Manasa Aprapayo Siddhim Kamgating Krishna Gachati. What happens Kamgating Gachati of one who has what happens Kamgatim Gachati of one who dosardhyopetaha does not exercise any self-control ayatihi and deviates from the path of yoga. The best example is of Valmiki Rishi. He was earning a livelihood of himself and his family as a default bandit. But by divine grace, Narada Muni met him and he transformed him to become Vashyoki. Transformed him to become Valmiki Rishi. One has to, of course, strive, samsiddha yatate, to be eligible for such divine grace, at least in the next life, which can make eligibility for being born in maybe Devi Sampad. However, Bahunam Janmanamante Jnanavan Prapadyate 7.19. Hence, it may take many births. One need not worry about that. Our job is to strive. Samsiddhau yatate. This Gita Abhyasa is for studying, learning and Sanskrit Gita. Studying Sanskrit and Gita together. As studying Sanskrit, the study details Padacheda, Vakyamsha Vishlesan, Shabdabhyasa, Chando Vishlesan. As studying Gita, the study details Anvayartha and Sadhyaya. That is notes of self-study. This study is Swanta Sukhaya for self-containment. Glad to share. The test can be downloaded from my blog post, to which links are as below.